Let's bring Tim Pandages back for another check of the forecast.
Yeah, Tim, what do people need to know for this weekend? Because it's so dangerous out there.
Try to stay indoors as much as possible. Air temperatures are going to be in the triple digits, but heat index values are going to be up and over 108 to 110. That's why we have now a heat advisory that earlier was up for our northwestern counties. It's been expanded and extended to now include the entire area through 9 o'clock tomorrow evening, and that's for that heat index, what it feels like outside, 108 to 110. We're not alone. In fact, it's even hotter just to the north where you see that red coloring. That's an excessive heat warning. That's where the heat index can get up and over 110, and that's not out of the question for areas here locally this weekend. So here's our heat story. Actual air temperatures in the triple digits, threatening records this weekend. Factor in the humidity. Those dew points will be in the low 70s, upper 60s. That's enough to make it feel like 108 to 110. Practice heat safety, hydrate, drink plenty of water, and stay indoors as much as possible. If you're outdoors, seek shade as much as possible as well. 99 degrees outside right now at Bush, but with that dew point not terribly high in the upper 60s, it still feels like it's 105 at the moment. 102 out in Katy, 101 Sugar Land, actual air temperatures. Then you add the humidity, it feels like 110 outside in Sugar Land, 106 in Brenham at Conroe, Liberty 107 now in Angleton, Galveston feels like 105 as well. Now there's no relief coming from any isolated downpours because radar is scanning absolutely clear right now. Check out heat index values as we go forward in time. We're going to jump out to tomorrow afternoon. Notice the widespread readings up and over 105, 110 out at Bush, 111 College Station, 108 in Sugar Land tomorrow. Fast forward to Sunday afternoon, very, very similar, but I want to draw your attention to a few changes in this map. Notice these red shades that pop up in certain areas out near Tomball, north of Bush, and near Columbus also correlates with a drop in heat index value here in Columbus. That's the potential of tomorrow and Sunday afternoon for a very small chance of an isolated shower or downpour. That's the good news. If you catch it, it'll drop the temperatures briefly, and then it turns into a sauna. So here's how the weekend looks. Record on Saturday is 102, forecasting high of 101, but it will feel 105 to 110. On Sunday, 102 is the forecast, likely beating the record of 101. It'll feel like 107 to 112. It has been a hot summer, hot year so far out in Houston. Number of 90-degree days at 55. Of those, 32 have been north of 95 degrees, and we've already clocked in 6 days of triple-digit heat. We'll add on many more to this going through the weekend and into early next week. A positive side of things, no development expected out in the tropical Atlantic anytime soon, thanks to a large plume of Saharan dust that's now right over the central Atlantic and will keep the kibosh, keep the lid on any activity bubbling on up. So tomorrow's forecast, 101 in Houston, 102 Sugar Land, Katy up to 104. Dangerously hot with the slightest chance, 10% of an isolated shower or storm bubbling up in the afternoon. All right, 7-day forecast, no real break in this heat through early next week. Now chances go up for some rain and some slightly less hot temperatures by the middle of next week. Right now we've got scattered storms on the map. Wednesday, 40%. Guys?